Okay, so today we're going to take a look at the RMX 3500 3-axis CNC bed mill. This is the most popular size machine in the 4-machine family range. It's got a great capacity, taking up a relatively small footprint. It's a solid cast iron machine with box guideways, giving you a highly rigid piece of equipment. You can operate this machine purely as a manual machine for those simple one-off operations. You've got a 2-axis CNC, and you've got its most popular format, which is a 3-axis CNC. So the machine comes fitted with the Prototrak RMX touchscreen control. Now, the Prototrak control has been around since the early 90s and has revolutionized thousands of machine shops out there. It's made producing those low batch numbers much easier, certainly doing a lot more than a manual machine. So this control is full of features, including an EPA system, which is basically a help system built within the control. This system gives you the ability that if you become stuck writing that program, you go to the EPA, which will then help and guide you through what you need to do next. There are even videos on there to actually walk you through everything you need to do. There's also things like 3D graphics, so you can show the part on the screen before you go to machine it. There's an auto geometry engine, which will help you with calculations within your parts, making it really simple to actually program your components. So with the Prototrak RMX control, with the touchscreen ability on there, it really does lend itself to the DXF file converter. So if you want to do things via electronic drawings, use the DXF file converter, touchscreen, point to the next operation and what you want to machine, and the control will help you write the program through that drawing. Over to the machine specification. This machine's got 780 millimeters of X-axis travel, 500 in the Y, 500 in the Z-axis. It's also got a programmable spindle speed from 40 RPM all the way through to 5,000 RPM. You've got a large table in there, it gives you a lot of room in there to be able to put vices and fixtures, includes LED lights, coolant system, auto lubrication, along with a lot of other features. Nice heavyweight machine, 2,350 kilos. So it's not a lightweight by any stretch. On the machine as well, we've got a lot of features, basically all based around the control and the actual machine itself. Nice interface between the two. There's a lot of things to show you within the control. We haven't got time to do that here today, but check out our videos online and you'll find some more information there. So one of the key features on this machine is the tracking facility. I think it's one of the best features we've got on this machine. Tracking basically gives you the ability to wind through the program using one of the 2 hand wheels provided. What the control does is it monitors how fast you're turning that hand wheel and will run through the program at the same feed rate. So if you stop, it stops. If you want to go in reverse, simply wind that handle back in reverse. This will boost your confidence before you go pressing the start button and letting that CNC take over. Okay, so also on the machine, we've got steel guards, interlock guards, compliant with the latest CE regulations. Nice clear entry into the machine. It makes it really easy to set this machine up. Want to do something manually, simply open the doors and you can go in there and operate this machine manually. Okay, so we've also got an air power drawbar on the system, making it really quick and easy to load and unload tools into the machine. Simply take out your tool, press the button, reverse operation to put the tool back in. Okay, as with all the Prototrak controls, all you need to get going on one of these controls is a day's training. Come to one of the classrooms, we'll train you for the day, get you up to speed on this control, and you'll be off producing parts a lot quicker than you were before. If you want to know more about the control, simply give us a call and we can come to you with a desktop unit. We'll bring this control to you and program some of your components right at your factory. Just give us a call on the number on the screen.